If you've been getting Facebook text alerts that you no longer want, this video will show you exactly how to turn off SMS notifications step by step. It's a quick fix, and once you do it, you can stop those text messages from coming to your phone. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Facebook and app guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Facebook and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click your profile picture. This is where Facebook keeps most of your account settings, so it's the first place we need to go. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings. This will take you to the main account settings page where you can manage different parts of your Facebook experience. Now look for the notification section and click it. Facebook organizes notification preferences here, so this is the area where you can control what alerts you receive and how you get them. Inside notifications, find and click SMS. This is the part that controls text message alerts sent to your phone number. If Facebook has been sending you updates by text, this is where you can turn that off. Once you're in the SMS settings, simply turn off SMS notifications. Depending on your screen, this may appear as a toggle switch or an option you can disable. After you switch it off, Facebook should stop sending text notifications to your phone. If you want to be extra sure, go back one step and check your other notification settings as well. That way, you can keep the alerts you actually want while removing the ones you don't need. It's a good idea to review these settings anytime you notice too many messages coming through. And that's it. You've now turned off text SMS notifications for Facebook. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer interruptions on your phone. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more Facebook settings guides in the future.